Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing this amazing hair growth treatment that will help you to regrow your hair and moisturize your hair. If so you're interested in, please keep on watching. So the first ingredient we're using is our amla. Okay, this is ingredient we are using. Amla is rich in vitamin C, okay, which strengthens your hair follicles, and it also reduces hair fall. It treats dandruff. Amla is an amazing spice that you can use to regrow your hair if you're suffering from hair loss, thin edges, and all. And amla is one of the ingredients the Indians use to maintain their long and shiny hair. So loves, I'm just going to be adding warm water inside. This is the only ingredient I'll be using, and coconut oil, and that's it, love. So this combination is so amazing. Like, I use this on my hair and you won't believe how my hair turned out. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Please don't make it your last. Why don't you subscribe, like the video, share and comment. So I'll finish stirring it, and I'm going to make sure that all the whole bumps have softened. And here is my hair. I did a wash day with this amla powder. I use it to do a shampoo, and yo guys, my hair, I did not condition my hair as I said in that video. I did not condition it, only washed it, and I was so easy for me to comb out my 4C hair. I could not believe it. Yeah, so this is my hair right now. I'm just showing you guys me combing it, the combing process and all. Then after this, I will apply this hair mask on my hair. Yeah, this is the hair mask. I'm going to apply this all over my hair, and I'll come back and give you guys my feedback. So love, I'm almost done with this procedure. Okay, I apply this on my hair, then I finger detangle, and I twist the back of my hair. So I'm going to be carrying this for like an hour. You can carry it more than an hour if you have more time. Okay, this did not stain my hand, it did not stain my nails. Yeah, but it's quite messy in the sense that your surroundings is gonna be a little bit of stains, and you just have to clean it up. Yeah, so So fam, this is what I'm saying, that it's quite messy. Just have to clean all this up. And this was the hair falls I have when I was finger detangling. So I'm going to use my plastic bag to cover my hair. I love using plastic bag to cover my hair because I just dispose it instead of using my shower cap. Yeah, so I'm just going to use this to cover my hair, and I'll wait for an hour, and after an hour I'll come back and show you guys what my hair looks like. Okay, so fam, this is my hair after 1 hour. All right, I'm just going to lose all the stuff I did on my hair, all the twist out and all, and I'm just gonna lose this, and I'll rinse out my hair. When I lose this, my hair was so soft, like very very soft. This is what my hair is looking right now. I've not rinsed out the amla from my hair anyway, so I'm done rinsing it out. And guys, I could not believe how soft my hair is. Like, my hair was so soft, like so soft. I'm serious. And I saw that my hair was a bit stretchy and all, so I'm going to pour this amla tea on my hair. I'll show you guys how I make this as well, and this will be the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video to this extent, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one.